Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best garage door installation kits that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the Reach Barrier 3009. The Reach Barrier 3009 is ideal for keeping your garage warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It uses reflective aluminium on the front and back with a laminated bubble layer sandwiched in between to create an effective boundary between your garage and the fluctuating temperature outdoors. The kit comes with 8 pre-cut panels that measure 4 feet by 2 feet, perfect for standard single-car garage doors. Next up is the Froth-Pak 620 Sealant. The installation kit comes with a 15-foot hose, a spray foam dispenser, multiple spray nozzles, 2 tanks, and an instruction manual. Using these components, you can produce up to 51.7 cubic feet of foam. That's enough for you to insulate your door and tend to other problem locations around your home with the spray foam. The thicker the insulation, the more efficient it is at retaining heat. After spraying this foam onto the garage door panels as per the instructions, the foam will become tack within a few seconds and be fully cured in less than 1 minute. Third in line is the double bubble reflective foil installation. Reduce your heating bill and save money with this affordable double bubble reflective foil installation. It has an R value of 4 according to the manufacturer. It reflects 97% of radiant heat. The installation comes in a 4 foot by 10 foot roll that can be easily cut to the proper size for your door with a utility knife or scissors. This garage door installation kit features 2 layers of polyethylene air bubbles to help reduce the transmission of heat through the air layer. Fourth on the list is the US Energy Products NASA Tech Garage. If your garage has a 2-car garage door, then a standard garage door installation kit won't give you the necessary amount of insulation. This 2-car garage door installation kit comes with 4 rolls of 2 foot by 18 foot foam core insulation. With this kit, you also get a utility knife to cut the insulation to the right size, a squeegee to help prepare the garage door for installation, and heavy-duty double-sided tape used to attach the insulation. Last but not least is the Matador SGD IK001 garage door installation. If you want to insulate your garage door but you're uncomfortable using adhesives or fasteners, check out this simple to install garage door installation kit. The kit comes with 8 polystyrene laminate panels that can be cut to the perfect size for your garage door panels. Each piece of polystyrene laminate measures 20.25 inches by 54 inches by 1.25 inches and has an R value of 4.8. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.